What's up, team? What's going on here today, buddy?
We're going to jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
Where's that?
Right there.
That's not a perfectly good airplane. Ready for this?
I'm ready.
Are you scared?
A little.
I can tell. Let me see your hands. You're a little shaking.
Strangely calm.
Excited, huh?
Very much so.
You got a bunch of friends here with you?
I do.
All right.
3 virgins and a veteran.
You got it. Outside. It's pretty high, huh?
Oh, yeah.
High. Alright, team, now you're gonna tell me, buddy. Are you still gonna do it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go have some fun. Whoa! Oh, yeah, baby. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Doesn't matter, we're going anyway.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Get your motor running. Head out on the highway, looking for adventure and whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of your guns at once and explode into space. I like smoking lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind.
Alright, we're back!
Kiss the ground.
What you think, buddy?
Awesome.
Skydiving's not fun.
It's awesome.
Give me 5 right here. Oh yeah, thanks for coming!